Today I'll be telling you how to root your Samsung Gravity Smart from T-Mobile. The first thing that you need to do on your phone is go to the menu button, hit settings, scroll down to applications, select that, select development, and then at the top you'll see USB debugging. I want you to go ahead and activate that. So press the check mark and make sure that's on. Okay, now in the description below you'll see a link. The first link at the top is the driver for the phone from Samsung itself. What you're going to want to do is go to that link, and you'll be looking at this page here that I'm looking at now. You're going to want to click this icon over here to download the software, and you'll save the file or run file, either one's fine, and that'll download. I want you to run that file after it's done, install that, let it go through, and once that's finished with, I want you to go to the second link in the description. This one will lead you to the XDA developers forum, and this is actually the link to Super One Click that you'll use to root your phone. And after that, you're going to need Winrar or WinZip to actually open this file, because it is a zip file, and I will provide that as a third link underneath that, underneath the link you just used. Okay, so after Super One Click is done and you've installed the Samsung software, I want you to open the zip file. If you have installed Winrar already beforehand. If you haven't, then I need you to go ahead and download Winrar before you try to open this file. Okay, so after you've done that, you'll be looking at the zip file, or the zip file open in Winrar, and I want you to go ahead and select everything in there. And after you do that, I want you to right click your desktop and make a new folder, and name the folder whatever you need to name it. I named it Super One Click so I could easily find it. So after that, what you're going to want to do is hit extract to. On the right hand side you'll see a list of folders, and you should scroll down and you'll see your Super One Click folder, and you'll hit OK. So I'll go ahead and just redo that. Okay, so I want you to go ahead, close Winrar. You're done with that. I want you to go ahead and connect your phone to your computer with the cable that Samsung provided with your phone. And you'll see, if you're using Windows 7, I'm pretty sure every other Windows will be pretty similar. It's been a while since I've used Windows XP. But you'll see 5 or 6 drivers installing. I want you to let those finish before you even attempt to run the root software, because I don't know what could happen. I don't think anything will happen besides it won't work. But just to be safe, let those finish. Okay, so now I want you to go to your Super One Click folder. I want you to run the Super One Click.exe. Okay, so now after you ran that, you'll see a crazy looking screen with a bunch of stuff: shell root, unroot, allow non-market IOPS. The only thing you're going to use in this program is the root button. So now that all the drivers are installed and everything's working, it seems like you have no errors, I want you to go ahead and click root. Now my phone's already rooted because I've already ran the software, so I'm going to get like a message saying that it's already been rooted. See, here's the message here. What you're going to get is you're going to get a pop-up saying that I can't remember the name of the actual thing that it's going to say is missing, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to install either one or two things that ask. You're going to want to hit yes, and after you're done with that, your phone will be rooted and you can do whatever you like with it. There is an app that I recommend for removing first-party apps from T-Mobile, or the ones that came with the phone originally at all. It's called Titanium Backup. This software will allow you to back up everything on your phone: apps, data, contacts, any of that. So you can be safe that if you remove an app that came with your phone and actually messes up your phone some sort, that you can recover that. I don't recommend removing much, but there's some games and stuff up there that you can remove those without any issue. And if you leave a comment and ask me if you can remove a certain app, I'll let you know, because I'm willing to test it. But I've removed a lot of stuff from my phone that I didn't want because I wanted more memory. But if you need help, any more support that I didn't cover, just leave a comment and I'll reply back to everyone that I can, as long as it's not like flooded. But I'll be sure to try to reply back to everybody. And I hope you enjoy your rooted phone, and it's been a pleasure helping you.